on to part 2 of the video. It's the next day and my hair is still in the Slumber Net. I did take it out to check on it, so I've retied it. I also slept with the pillowcase scarf over this last night and it was actually very comfortable. I think using those bobby pins in the back made a big difference. So I think for my next hair set, I might just try to do only those wide hairpins. Almost been in my hair for 24 hours and it's not driving me crazy. We can undo the net and see how everything turned out. I also think the bobby pins work better for the hairnet that I've worn underneath, and I think it'll be easier to remove the hairnet. Everything looks pretty much the same as it did last night, so I think that's good. Everything stayed. So I'm just gonna start removing the clips. Okay, so I think I got most of them out. I'm gonna look and make sure I didn't forget any of them. I have this really cute vintage cosmetics vanity container and I'm gonna put my bobby pins in here. I think it's the perfect size, and then when I'm sitting at the vanity pin curling, I just have to reach in here and grab them. I think these work really well. I even have some smaller ones. I think, yes, this size is perfect. And I will link them below, but I think if you have longer hair and you kind of end up with a bigger pin curl, it will take a little longer to dry, but it was perfect for holding them in place. And I just used 2 together. I'm going to apply some of my pomade. And start working my way through the curls. And I am saving the bangs for later. We'll add those in. We can begin with the brush out from the bottom with the Denman brush. Now I do want to keep it kind of on the curlier side, so I'm not going to brush it and smooth it too much, or I'm going to try not to. And hopefully we can get something very 40s and vintage and fun. So you can kind of see the waves here at the bottom, and we haven't even added the bang yet. But the reason why you're seeing that is because we did those alternating rows, so that pushes and pulls the hair in that direction. So now I'm just gonna add a very small amount of pomade to the bangs, and we will add those in with the brush. And because we did those standing pin curls, there's going to be a lot of volume here at the hairline. I'm going to position my clip there. I'm just going to apply a little bit of hairspray just to kind of have overall hold. This is one of those styles, again, that you can kind of have a little bit brushed out or a little less brushed out. It's just kind of up to you. If you want to wear it curlier the first day, that's probably a good idea, and then just try and maintain it throughout the week. I'm just going to go over and kind of lightly fluff the hair so it doesn't look super separated. While the pin curling does take me quite a bit of time, about 45 minutes, the actual brush out was pretty simple. It was just removing the clips, brushing it through, and adding a few products just to fine tune the style. So that concludes our pin curl weaving tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I look forward to creating my next video and seeing you all again soon. Bye!